From my last video, I explained the foreign friends can import familiar products to start their new business. But
Yes.
many viewers leave the comments there. They don't have familiar products or their home business is really no good.
Yes.
So they wonder how is the future for my products to import and sell or use in their local countries. It is really a nice idea to import my products to sell or use there. My products is mainly the CNC router machine or fiber laser cutting machines.
Yes.
They are widely used in wood, acrylic, furniture, advertising, and many fields there. But their price is very low. Just for example, their price is mainly from the $2,000 to $100,000, but the average price is only about $10,000 there. But they can be sold 50,000 when they import to their countries. So it's big profit there. Meanwhile, it also can increase 300% working efficiency if they import my machine and use for their family business. So it is really a good business. We also can provide very good training after sale, and my price is also very competitive compared to other suppliers.
Yes.
Many customers from my company become the millionaire within 1 or 2 years very fast. If you have interest, just contact us now.
Okay, thank you both.